Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, one of my class 8 students is giving seminar on crop production and management. Please do subscribe and share the channel.
Hello friends, my name is Jay Srihan. I am from class 8 from Apex Tutorial. Today I am going to explain about crop production and management. Friends, what do you mean by crop? When plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crop. There are two types of crop: Kharif crop, Rabi crop. The crop which sown in rainy season are Kharif crop. Example: paddy, maize, soybean. Rabi crop, the crop grown in winter season are Rabi crop. Example: wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. Practices of crop production. There are 7 steps. The first step is preparation of soil. Second step, sowing. Third step, adding manure and fertilizer. Fourth step, irrigation. Fifth step, protecting from weeds. Sixth step, harvesting. Seventh step, storage. Preparation of soil. They are cultivated in a crop for food production. There are 3 steps: ploughing, leveling, manuring. Ploughing, the process of losing and turning the soil. Leveling, the ploughed soil is quite loose. Manuring, adding fertilizer to the soil. Sowing, the process of scattering or putting the seeds into the ground is called sowing. Before sowing the seeds, good quality of seed selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy, free from infection and diseases. There are 2 methods for sowing. Sowing by hand, sowing with a seed drive considered 2 steps. The seeds are in regular rows. Second step, it saves time and laborers. Adding manure and fertilizer. Sowing in the same field removes the lot of previous. Difference between manure and fertilizer. Manure means manure is a natural substance obtained by a decomposition of animal like cow dung, human waste and animal residue. A fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound. Manure can be prepared in the fields. Fertilizer can be prepared in the factories. A manure provides a lot of organic matter like humus to the soil. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. The fourth step is irrigation. All the crop plants need water to their growth. It is therefore necessary to supply water to the crop. The process of supplying water to crop plants in the fields is called irrigation. Sources of irrigation: canal, river, well, tube wells, dams, etc. Irrigation are classified into traditional method, modern method. Traditional method: moat, rahat, dhekli, chain pump. Modern method: sprinkler system, drip system. The fifth step is removing the weeds. Removing the weeds is called weeding. The unwanted plants which grow the cultivated crop are called weeds. The process of removing weeds from a crop field is called weeding. The best time to remove of weeds is before produce flower or fruit. The sixth step is harvesting. The cutting and gathering of mature food crop is called harvesting. Seventh step is storage. The practice or means of keeping grains until it is sold or used is called storage. Thank you. I hope you have understood the chapter.